Hello traders and welcome to Financia ecosystem where you can find plenty of candlestick patterns trading guidelines. Candlestick patterns are a popular and effective tool used by traders to analyze market trends and identify potential trading opportunities. The Candlestick Patterns Guidelines provide traders with an easy-to-understand lecture that covers a wide range of candlestick chart formations and how to read them. By mastering these patterns, traders can accurately predict upcoming market changes and make better trading decisions. The Candlestick Patterns Guidelines are a valuable resource for both chartists and price-action traders, providing free lessons that can be used in all financial markets, including Forex and CFDs. The lessons are designed to be simple yet comprehensive, with well-explained examples that help traders identify price formations and use high-probability trading setups. Analyzed candlestick patterns include doji, engulfing and more. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, our Trading Candlestick Patterns Guidelines can help you improve your technical analysis skills through analyses, videos, and graphical illustrations. Our lectures are designed to be easy to understand, and we use real-world examples to help you apply what you learn. Also, PDF Candlestick Pattern Guidelines are available for free download via this button. By using candlestick patterns, traders can take advantage of small market movements and improve their trading experience. These patterns provide a visual representation of market trends, which makes it easy for traders to analyze the market and make informed decisions. With the help of candlestick patterns, traders can accurately predict upcoming changes in the market and make better trading decisions to achieve their financial goals. So, if you're looking to enhance your technical analysis skills and take advantage of small market movements, candlestick patterns could be an invaluable tool for you.